This is the WR Long Rear Remote Kit, a complete rear hydraulic control system built for your tractor. Whether you need one or up to 4 remotes, each kit is tailored to fit your specific setup and is complete with everything needed for install. Custom built for most make and model tractors, maintains consistent hydraulic pressure, and is made in the USA. Most kits ship in just 2 to 3 days with no minimum orders. The rear valves mount cleanly and connect directly to the switch box. Control is right at your fingertips with heavy-duty rocker switches, one for each valve, and one for dedicated continuous flow or float function. Each remote has its own switch. The system is simple, safe, and modular, so you can run more equipment with less hassle. One of the valves can also be used as a live third function, giving you more flexibility to run front-end attachments. If your tractor already has a rear remote, our kit can expand that system, giving you additional remotes for new implements or more complex jobs. These are electric over hydraulic remotes, the same reliable valves used on our third function kits. Our bypass valve design reduces pressure drop and helps the system stay cool under load. The valves are built to last and have been trusted in our products for decades. Float and continuous flow come standard, giving you smooth control and support for hydraulic motors. It's an all-in-one solution designed to simplify upgrades, support more attachments, and avoid dealership delays. You can also add our WR Long Top and Tilt Kit, which works seamlessly with these rear remotes. We manufacture high-quality tractor accessories in the USA, and our rear remote kits are built with the same commitment to performance and reliability. Call for questions or help placing an order.